Meet the all-new DJI Mavic 4 Pro, where creativity takes flight and storytelling reaches new heights. Designed for creators, explorers, and visionaries, this next-generation drone transforms the way you capture the world. Every smooth takeoff and cinematic sweep brings your imagination to life with precision and elegance. From breathtaking landscapes to dynamic motion shots, the Mavic 4 Pro moves purposefully, guided by intelligent flight technology and sleek design. It's not just about flying, it's about telling a story from an entirely new perspective. The sky is no longer the limit, it's your playground. Let's start with the design. The trademark feature, as we've seen from leaks and a teaser last week, is the big, round, triple-camera infinity gimbal module at the front. The idea is to allow the gimbal to rotate freely for improved stabilization and interesting camera angles. It boosts the tilt-up angle from 60 to 70 degrees and lets the gimbal rotate at any angle, allowing off-kilter Dutch camera angles for more interesting shots. And of course, it can rotate 90 degrees to deliver full-resolution vertical video for social media. With that new housing and slightly larger batteries, the 2.3-pound Mavic 4 Pro is 0.2 pounds heavier than the Mavic 3 Pro. The propeller arms have been updated so they can be folded and unfolded in any order, unlike the previous model. The body is also more aerodynamic to boost efficiency and speed. Tucked in the left propeller arm is a forward-facing LiDAR sensor that greatly aids nighttime obstacle detection. The drone also has 6 omnidirectional fisheye sensors that work in as little as 0.1 lux, which is equivalent to a night sky lit by a full moon. Where the Mavic 3 Pro had just 8 GB of internal memory, the standard Mavic 4 Pro is equipped with 64 GB of storage, 42 GB usable, and the Creator Combo version comes with a generous 512 GB of high-speed storage, 460 GB usable. Both models have a micro SD card slot as well. The Mavic 4 Pro ships with the RC2 screen controller, first seen with the Air 3 in the basic and Fly More kits. However, DJI also introduced the RC2 Pro, a controller unlike any I've seen before. The bright 7-inch HDR display folds up to provide a multi-angle view and tilts 90 degrees, automatically flipping the Mavic 4 Pro's camera 90 degrees for vertical video. There's no longer a need to stow the joysticks, though you can, as they automatically collapse into the body when the screen is folded back. It has a full complement of controls for flying and camera operations, including a button that flips the camera 90 degrees. The RC2 Pro also has an HDMI and a USB-C port, along with Wi-Fi 6 support for high-speed data transfers. The new 95-watt batteries are rated to offer up to 51 minutes of flight time, or around 40 to 45 minutes in typical use. That's a significant boost from the 30-35 minute real-world battery life on the Mavic 3 Pro. Better still, they charge faster than ever at 51 minutes for one battery via USB-C, or 90 minutes for 3 with the Fly More kit charger. Let's talk about performance and features. The Mavic 4 Pro can now hit 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour in sport mode without obstacle detection, up from 47 miles per hour before, which will be a big help for filming motor vehicles. Top speed in normal mode with tracking and obstacle detection is also faster at 40 miles per hour. It's still a big SUV of a drone though, so it lacks the agility of DJI's Mini 4 Pro. And with no prop guards, it's not advisable to maneuver around people or in tight spaces like the Avatar 2. Noise from the Mavic 4 Pro is unchanged from the Mavic 3 Pro at 83 dB. However, the frequency is lower and less bothersome, especially when it's flying close to people. So, props to DJI for that improvement. With the new O4 Plus transmission system, the Mavic 4 Pro now offers up to 18.6 miles, 30 kilometers of video transmission range, double that of the Mavic 3 Pro. Though most pilots won't venture that far away, I found the Mavic 4 Pro less susceptible to interference and dropouts than before. It also supports bright 10-bit HDR, 1080p live video transmission for a higher quality backup capture and better visibility in sunlight. Subject tracking is available via the Active Track 360 function, first seen on the Mini 4 Pro, which allows you to manually control the camera position while keeping your subject in frame. It's also designed to keep subjects in focus even if they're partially obscured. I tested it with a car, a mountain bike, and while walking to see how it worked at various speeds. The Mavic 4 Pro stayed locked on a car, driving at up to 30 miles per hour with full obstacle avoidance. When filming the bike rider, the Mavic 4 Pro chose interesting and random routes around trees that often yielded cinematic greatness. That behavior also caused a crash into a small tree branch, but luckily, it caused no visible or functional damage. The drone also worked well as a vlogging tool, following me on a preset active track 360 path. Later, I took the Mavic 4 Pro out at night to test the LiDAR and low-light sensors, flying it up around trees and next to buildings. That would have been risky with past models, but it successfully detected and avoided all obstacles in my testing. The low-light capability will also help you bring the drone home safely at night, as long as you remember that the LiDAR only works in the forward direction. Return to home now functions without GPS in sufficient light, as the Mavic 4 Pro can memorize flight paths. Let's move on to video quality. With its new camera system, the Mavic 4 Pro has the best video quality I've seen on any consumer drone. The main Hasselblad branded 28mm wide camera has a 100 megapixel dual ISO 4:3 sensor that supports 6K 60fps or 4K 120fps capture, along with DJI's professional D-Log and D-Log-M modes to max out dynamic range. It also delivers up to 100 megapixel photos. The Mavic 4 Pro is one of the few drones with a variable aperture, f2.0 to f11, for better field control depth and more sunlight usability. The Infinity Gimbal also houses a 70mm medium telephoto lens with a 1-to-1.3-inch sensor, like the one on the Mini 4 Pro. Plus, there's a longer 168mm camera with a 1-to-1.5-inch sensor that should be ideal for things like wildlife tracking. Both feature an f2.8 aperture, 4K 60p video, and D-Log, D-Log-M, and HDR, along with subject tracking AF and dual native ISO. The Hasselblad camera's 6K and 4K video quality is incredibly sharp and color accurate, while providing good dynamic range, particularly with sky and cloud details. Switching over to D-Log mode further boosts dynamic range, but makes color correction a bit trickier. I liked using D-Log-M to get a good balance between ease of adjustment and dynamic range. The base Mavic 4 Pro captures H.265 video up to 180 Mbps, but the Creator Combo version, with its faster internal storage, also supports 1200 Mbps H.264 All-I for easier editing. However, DJI dropped the ProRes 4.22 HQ option that was available on the Cine version of the Mavic 3 Pro, where the Mavic 4 Pro beats other drones is in low light, thanks to the native dual ISO capability. When shooting a cityscape at dusk at ISO 6400 and up, grain was easy to tame down with a bit of noise reduction. And if shooting at dawn or dusk, the D-Log mode provides enough dynamic range to balance light sky and dark ground areas. Photo quality is also outstanding in the 100 megapixel mode, with so much detail that I could zoom in and see tiny objects. For low light shooting though, it's best to stick with a 25 megapixel to reduce noise. DJI's raw DNG capture makes it easy to fine-tune photos shot in contrasty lighting conditions. The 70mm Suspense 3x 1.1.3-inch telephoto camera is great for taking portraits or getting in tighter when shooting landscapes. With support for 4K at up to 120 FPS and D-Log or D-Log-M, it can easily be mixed and matched with footage from the main camera, though detail and low light capability aren't as good. The 168mm 1.5-inch camera produces mediocre video quality, but it's great for capturing wildlife. The Mavic 4 Pro stands out as a prime example of DJI's commitment to innovation, consistently leading ahead of its competitors through regular updates and enhancements to its product lineup. This latest model presents notable improvements over its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro, across nearly all performance metrics. Currently, it holds a unique position in the consumer drone market, facing virtually no direct competition. The nearest equivalent in terms of pricing and functionality is the Autel Evo T Pestet Pro 6K. However, it falls short with its single camera, setup, smaller sensor size, reduced flight endurance, and limited operational range. One significant drawback is the absence of US availability, which is likely to ignite disappointment among American drone enthusiasts. Adding to the uncertainty, there remains a substantial risk that DJI may face an outright ban on sales of its drones in the US by year-end. The company has continuously asserted that its products do not pose a national security threat, expressing openness to any regulatory scrutiny that may arise. As of now, the Mavic 4 Pro is being sold in most regions globally, except for the United States, with a starting price of €2,099 or £1,879, approximately $2,360, when bundled with the standard RC2 controller. For consumers looking for additional value, DJI offers the Fly More kit, which includes the RC2 controller, a protective bag, 3 batteries, and a charger for £2,459, or €2,699, euros, around $3,040. Moreover, those seeking maximum functionality can opt for the Creator Combo package. This comprehensive bundle incorporates everything found in the Fly More kit, but is enhanced with the RC2 Pro controller, 512 GB of storage, and support for all-eye video capture, priced at €3,539, £3,209, or about $3,980. Isolated pricing details reveal that the RC2 Pro controller by itself costs €999 or £879, around $1,125. Given these features and options, it is clear that DJI remains a formidable force in the consumer drone industry, even amidst potential challenges and competitive pressures. The Mavic 4 Pro's release has set a high benchmark, making it the EI top choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike, while its future in the American market hangs in the balance. Thanks for joining us for a closer look at the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.